In this video, I will be demonstrating how to use view sections in Airtable. So view sections are a really great organizational tool for just making the numerous views that you might have in a particular table much more manageable and much more organized. So the way we do it is we go down to this create panel and we click the option for a new section. So say I want to create a section for myself. Give it a name. As you can see, there's two sections here, the one that I just created, as well as a new one that gets created whenever you create your first section. So it's going to split it between the section you just created and a section that just contains all of the views that don't have a section yet. So to move a view into my section, it's as simple as just dragging that view right into my section right there. Alternatively, I can click on this arrow right here and click move to, and it will move my view directly back to that section. As soon as I delete this section, it is going to, actually before I delete it, I'll show you the collapse feature. So I can actually collapse all of these at once to make this a little bit of a cleaner display of all my views. And then again, I can expand them all to see them all at once again. So once I delete this, you'll see that it's going to, well, before I even delete it, let's create one more section and let's add this one into this one. So once I delete this section, it's going to move this view into this more section over here. And once I delete the last view, it will move them all back into that original state where they're all just in a list over here. Okay, so that is view sections in Airtable. Stay tuned for the next video.